Every year, a large number of homeowners are grossly underpaid by their insurance company when they receive settlement of their claim. Many people think that once they have suffered a loss, all they have to do is to tell their insurance company about it and then sit and wait for the cheque. Unfortunately, it does not always work quite that way. When you have suffered a loss, you may be stressed and traumatised and therefore not thinking clearly about the best way to present and manage your claim. Beware, even minor mistakes with the claim can have a costly effect on the outcome. In order to make a profit, insurance companies have to minimise their losses, and your claim is their loss. The loss adjuster is therefore not on your side. His role is to minimise the losses to his employer, the insurance company, so he often omits the damage that are not immediately obvious. His job is also to scrutinise the small print in your insurance policy to see if any exclusions can be applied. This is done so they can either decline the claim or to reduce your settlement. Another common tactic is settling your insurance claim is the delay. Insurance companies know that the longer you wait for the settlement, then the more desperate you become. And the more desperate you are, the more likely to accept a lower settlement, just to get your life back to normal. Most people just take what their insurance company gives them without quibbling, even though the compensation they receive doesn't completely fix what was lost. So what should you do when you suffer a loss? You are best to appoint a public loss assessor to manage your claim, someone who knows the game and will protect your interests. A public loss assessor works for you, the policyholder, not the insurance company. He's an expert in reading the small print. He knows where to look for hidden damage to your property, the damage that is not immediately obvious but often emerges long after your claim file is closed. A public loss assessor will eliminate the stress of dealing with the insurers, get a full compensation for your loss, generally get a faster settlement of your claim. He often works on commission basis, so you don't have to pay anything until you get a payout. So don't bat that alone, help is available. This message was brought to you by Trevor Kelly. If you need help with assessing your loss and managing your insurance claim, call us on 086 357 1713.